Hello guys, and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial we're going to learn how to use the Google Gemini to convert stick figures like this or sketches. If you have any kind of sketch of different scenarios of people or of items that you want to convert into real picture depicting the whole and exact scenario or situation that you are portraying, then Google Gemini can do that. I have been testing it on this, and take a look at what I have created. I have uploaded this stick figure. As you can see, the people holding just an empty banner. Take a look, and I gave it a simple prompt. Can you convert this sketch into a real photo with people? Choose a background near the beach. So that's the background I gave, because at the moment it doesn't have any background. So take a look at the wonders that it has given me. It has given me this photo. They are holding, of course, an empty banner. They understand that there are 3 male and 1 female. Take a look. And I think they got this right somehow. So take a look at the second one. I gave it this image and I said do the same for this image, but use a home as background, because it doesn't have background at the moment. And surprisingly, you see the results. Okay, a female carrying a child, which is also very similar to what we have here, even though this one might not be completely a child. Okay, so this is just an illustration. So I tried further with this simple one, 2 male and 1 female holding a yes sign differently. So do the same for this and keep the background as a bush. So take a look at what it has returned. So this is actually very powerful, and this is next level. You can go ahead and download this and you can compare the two if you are interested in comparing. So let me show you maybe one more. Let's say we have this particular one. Let's copy it, and then you can come back and then let's say do the same for this, but keep the background real, and then I paste. So you have to choose in the agent. You have to make sure you have selected an image and make sure you are on the thinking mode. That's the only way to get this, and then you can go ahead and say generate. And of course, if you want to alter this, you can click and it's going to open, and you have the option to kind of use this to alter something. Okay, assuming you want to select, you can make a click and then try to create something out of this. For example, I want to make this to be possibly, you can add something, anything that you want to add. Or once you say done here, you can have it saved. Okay, so let's put something like an arrow here. All right, so let's say done here, and let's ask it to convert. Color doesn't have to matter. The color don't have to matter. All right, so now we can say yes to this, and then let's give it some seconds to see what this is going to come up with based on this. And wonderfully, you can see what it has created. Wonderfully, it has created something very nice, and the situation is very real. Take a look. It's really on top of the water with this. They are resting, both of them are resting here. Look at the people shouting, and something that it has gotten. So you can go ahead and try and see how you can convert sketches into real-time images with Google Gemini. This is really next level, and I enjoy using it. So please explore it. Let's see what you can create. So this concludes a simple tutorial about the use of Google Gemini to convert stick figures or sketches into real-time or real images with the same scenario. Hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one. Bye.